Hi guys, how we doing? Oh, I'm just kidding. Sorry, it's just one of those days. Little update now. You know, like I said, we got the water pump on it earlier. Got this beautiful power steering pump, new lines, nice. I guess I'll take that off. You know, boss man doesn't get mad at me. He didn't see that, right?
Right.
Okay. Got the little whoop. We got the whoop nipple thing. We still got to do the thermostat, but that's probably going to be the last thing I do today besides bleeding everything. So, we talked about AC bracket was missing some bolts. Went in our little handy-dandy bolt pile. Found ones that, damn, match the car. Okay.
What? Greasy?
Yeah, pretty much. I tried cleaning them. So, all right, got that all nice and solid. This is the smog pump bracket.
Okay.
Also this guy too. So I'll get that all in and get the AC compressor adjusted, belt tensioned, tighten that all down. So that would be all done. I got one more stud on the water pump. Gotta get the other one out of the clutch fan. Make it a little bit easier. And then I'll get the pulley on there and start lining up my other belts. Because it looks like, yeah, we're getting there. Scotty, what are you playing with over there?
It's Jag day for me. I needed to do some brake parts before I can't stop any longer.
Yeah, those brake lines were pretty.
Yeah, and just a quickie. Because it's not about me. As much as I'd love to make it about me, it's not.
Hey, we gotta put a little extra.
Broken, and the other one's just as bad, if not worse. And that line is
Crispy.
I don't know if you can hear. Oh, there we go. Look.
Oh, I saw that.
It's already starting, and I just gently. So yeah, no, it was overdue, but it's not about me.
Yep, it's about.
God, this thing is in such nice shape. It really is. I mean, this thing's beautiful. I love the color.
I used to see this car all over the place.
Yeah.
So it's kind of funny now to
be working on it, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So it's definitely different. It's definitely a different setup. A lot of bracketry for a lot of different things, but you know, late 70s, early 80s, they were still trying to figure out what they wanted to put on them.
Tell me about
smog.
it, right? Exactly.
So, but yeah, guys, that's where we're at right now. We're getting there.
And what do we say, Bernsey?
Deuces.